Okay, we're gonna practice converting again. This time you're gonna fill in all the blank. I'm gonna pick 3 problems. You're gonna do everything on your own at the end. So let's do problem number 8. Okay, I'm gonna convert 2/3, a fraction, to decimal and percent. So 2/3 convert to decimal. I'm going to divide. So 2 cannot divide by 3. I borrow 0 and return a decimal. 20 divided by 3, how many times? 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. 2. Borrow 0. 20 divided by 3, you got 6 again. 6 times 3, 18. So it seems like you're going to have a repeating decimal. So you got 2/3 is 0.666 with the bar on top because it's a repeating decimal. For percentage, you're going to move your decimal to the right. Could you write out your percent symbol on the right side? So it's become 66.6%. Okay, next one, I'm gonna pick problem 5. No, I'm not gonna do 5. I'll do problem 9. Okay. You have 21%. I'm gonna convert to decimal and fraction. 21%, let's do it in fraction. Percent mean out of 100. So 21% mean 21 out of 100. Done. You cannot simplify. So 21 out of 100 is good. Now decimal, 21%. Decimal, you're gonna move your decimal 2 places to the left. 0.21. Awesome. And the last problem that I'm gonna do with you is problem 5. Okay, 0.06. Which way will be easier to convert? Fraction or percent? We learn all. Okay, so we can do either way. Let's do decimal to fraction. Okay, and remember on the note, the decimal, everything behind the decimal point will be the numerator. So 0, 6, so it's just number 6. The denominator is the place value. So this is, the place value is 100. Because it's fraction, so make sure you simplify it. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So 6 divided by 2, you got 3. 100 divided by 2, you got 50. So 3 out of 50 will be the final answer. Percent, you write down the percent symbol on the right side. So you move the decimal 2 places to the right. So you have 6%. So now you should be able to finish number 1 to number 15 on your own.